first of all, as a leader, I must do things lawfully. So once it's unlawful act, I must remove myself from the scene. Yikho ngithi, whenever qala is an unlawful act, I remove myself. Because you can't control abantu asugcwele lapha. Ngishona amaphoyisa vele anyway. But bawenza kumphambi amaphoyisa sometimes. So what do I do as a leader? Which I can't then be finding myself in the space. So when I remove myself, the members ahamba nami are removing themselves. Because as a leader, I'm commanding. Yikho ngithi, all the marches mina asuke ne-anarchy. Ngisuke ngikhona enkala. But you never see me makhona i-anarchy. Into ekhona ukuthi angikwazi ukusuka mina ngiyongena eNigeria if their laws are tight. Enforcement of the laws are there. Even in this country, laws are there. It's an enforcement issue because our question is clear. Who comes in the country and how you come to the country. But the issues around enforcement.
What is it about umhlaka 30 June kwenzakala?
Mfowethu, ufike ngumqiniso phambi kwabantu.
Yeah.
Anginalwazi enqabamanga. Ngeke ngiqaba manje ngiyazi kwenzakala ngoba I've never engaged in any of leaders. Ngami ngibuka nje ukubuka nawe.
But I was a little bit worried as well. I'm gonna be honest, not because it's my birthday, Mina, because I'll be out of the country. I'm going in Africa. On the day I'll be elsewhere in Africa, and I was thinking to myself, angeke bathi nangu South African, umZulu on top of that.
Unfortunately, the danger about lento eyenzeka njengamanje, ecabanga ukuthi sibe careful ngayo. We are now leading towards tribalism and getting very stronger. Slowly, and I think I'm very careful of that. Sibanga ukuthi wena uzalwa intombini yalo wena uzalwa la ekhaya wena hayi wena umlanjwana wena. So lento yenza njengamanje. Uyabona? Sibanga manje ukuthi kunamavenda kunamaZulu kunamaXhosa kunabesuthu kunabetswana, all this debate akhona ngamanje, yabo. And enye into fanele sibe careful kakhulu kuyona ile ukuthi kungenza ukuthi umuntu ungayizwa. Doesn't mean foreign. Because abanye literally ukubona umuntu akukhulumele nje ungayizwa ngempela ke nje.
Yeah.
Yabo. Then next thing, the second reaction is a foreigner because umuntu ungayizwa. Kanti umuntu ukhuluma isitswana, awusazi isitswana.